Hey guys, I'm Sean from Sean Streams HD, and I wanted to do a quick video to add a little bit of light to my recent PC gaming / Hackintosh build. So what I decided to do is purchase some of this Dominator Platinum light bar upgrade kit for my Corsair modules. And so basically today I'll be unboxing this Dominator Platinum light bar kit and doing a quick install, and we'll see how it looks in the case when it's finished. All right, so let's get started. So we actually have a couple different colors. We have a bluish tint color and more of a clear color. And then here are the new metal brackets for the top of the memory modules, along with some screws and a little Allen wrench.